Check this out. Dorky, but this is 2-aught welding cable. It's going in there. Well, one size bigger than I need. Better current flow. It's gonna kick ass. The solar to my storage. That's what's gonna keep me going on those super shitty, cloudy days. Thank you, Canadian Energy, for lending me your crimpers. So basically we put that in there, crimp that. I usually just do one crimp, depending on what it is. I gotta charge the capacitor. So let's go and throw the fuse in for the stereo from the solar. Here we go. Yes! 13.3 volts at my capacitor. Nice little LED there. Big breakthrough. Everything's working stereo wise. So jacked. Right now I am wiring up the remote switch, not the Ramones switch. Welcome to my humble abode. We are making some juice. Got lots of electrical left to go. Yo. So, got my mattress. It's a memory foam. Got it from Jisk or Yisk. I'm pretty sure it's Yisk. Got this mattress. One of my back rests. I'm gonna try and draw a tree on this. I was thinking about putting it in front, but I'm actually gonna put it behind. This is full. This is gonna be the seat. Did Tommy offer good advice?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Great guy. Tommy cracked a beer when he was working on the bike, and so I figured I would too. Not bad. I need to position that. And there it is. Making some light covers underneath the cabinets. Basically like that. That will hold this microwave together. So I've just built these end plates here. Contact. Cement. I'm gonna hang this newly built shelf. Now we got a full circuit. Obviously those aren't doing anything, but I took the day off work today, so I can take off many more days at work. There, we'll see how this turns out in a little bit. Anyways, so there's the surface mount going to the mic. Let's turn our inverter on. Alright, I got 13.4. Oh, there's no power. Let's just flip this microwave breaker. Oh man, look at that. The power is on. Okay, I haven't tried this. Let's just do... Okay, so that inverter kicks on right quick.